So we now start to think about track laying and we're starting that daunting process. With the points having arrived, you can see we've laid them out roughly where they're going to go. The sidings will then be fiddle yard, then going back and around the corner. That's a third radius curve in that far corner. So due to the proximity of the corner, I'm going to fill that corner in with the cork, and I've cut some bits here, some offcuts we're going to use just to fill that corner in. So let's get to it. So while the PVA continues to dry on these two new bits of cork, I took the opportunity to start soldering some droppers onto the base of the rails here. So these are two third radius curves that are going to go there, and that will also dictate exactly where the point that these fiddle yard sidings start at. And I've also took the opportunity to solder tails onto the base of these lengths of flexi track. Having just spoken to a friend, he suggested I put a second dropper on the other end of the flexi track just for belt and braces, and that I may well do in the forthcoming time. So we're going to start with the back sidings and get these down. Here's the other end ready, and again this point here, its location will be determined by two third radius curves going around here and where they will then go here, and that will determine roughly how long these sidings are. We had a quick measure up yesterday and we think the longest siding is around 160 inches, so that's in old money about 14 feet, in new money about 4.5 meters. With the front sidings, they're going to be more traditional parallelogram size, so they're going to go from this point here and then spawn off like these, and then at this end we'll then fan the other way. These have all been measured so that an 8+2 HST will fit, and then obviously you'll be able to get 10 or 12 car Mark 1s in there as well, hopefully. So that's where we are at the moment. I'm just going to carry on soldering these droppers, and once that PVA is down we can start locating where these are going to go and start drilling holes for the droppers to drop through. Thanks for watching.